In a recent interview, the MDC of Mylliem, Ronnie V Lyngdoh, had spoken on the issue of the Harijan Colony, wherein they had demanded certain conditions to be fulfilled by the state government with regards to their relocation to different quarters. Citing an example of how the government has been ignoring the living conditions of the indigenous people of the state, Ronnie V Lyngdoh slammed those at the helm of affairs for giving in to the baseless demands of the Harijan Panchayat Committee for area of land and property at the new quarters provided by the MDA government. Lyngdoh also felt that if the Punjabis living at the Sweepers Lane or Harijan Colony are not satisfied with their present living standards, they should leave the state and settle down in their own home state of Punjab.
One for your narrow political gains. Lane ita iba shiteng por ijing mentoy jong kano political party. What le si kumta? Le nam ta ke jing mentoy ke jela, nam ta ke jing mentoy ke jing jai bendel jong. Masyu ai nuk sai shubu kane ke jing ja. Kalong mar khong pom baki khasi ki sho ya uno nong Punjab apo Punjab. Na tharai ngap tip sho kai ke Punjab. Ha? Na tharai lada dai kumta dai tamakin le bendawa le sio kila shabe to ya kata kila don hang ne la slam to dan rai bakin ong ba maki kin bo kendon ngatang so ya happy kidang pun ki jaj benrio jong ke jaj benrio jongi ki bopli tang ijaka shiput du kim don ke cakala jam idi kinong sungwai te pe choi ya le de ke pe choi ya ke jaj benrio le jong mo manta ni ong kum no charity begins at home ye ki brio le jong pimperlan penbiang yuta lada kim so hun hang ne ki malai nak ke kide nak ke jela Punjab kidon la ke jong ke jela ki malai no sto kim dei maki ban bu kendon yangi nomor pipe tang hamlim ko so si kidang don bu pli ki brio ki ba tang ijaka sinong rimieng ru kim don atom long balale bengi.
On the recent MoU signed on the border settlement between the states of Meghalaya and Assam, the MDC of Mylliem strongly opposed the move by saying that the agreement had been decided without consultation with traditional heads in all the first 6 areas of differences that were included in the first phase of settlement. Ronnie Lyngdoh further said that it is but sad to know that it is not only the state government that has overlooked the voice of the people, but more so, it is surprising to learn of some of the tribal chiefs and traditional heads who had sold off to the government of Assam some plots of land belonging to the state of Meghalaya. Lyngdoh felt that the traditional custodians of land have no right to sell any area of it to anyone, as the same may belong to a clan, a tribe or community. However, he was of the opinion that the giving and selling away of such property to Assam by such custodians may have taken place because the district councils of the state have not punished or taken them to book as per law.
Ya para stakeholders menta kum ki hima ki nong senchar shnong ki rang shnong ki sim ki sabat wadada ki nong shong shnong shimnem ya ki chok ladang ipet menta kami kalong ba pachis de ngamtip akno karukom sarkar MDA kanya soy bat sarkar Assam klam da shim ga jimanjur jom kita ki stakeholders namar niate berkhoi ba lamba ka sikshuru jingong trai long kandra yakno shap lada da dei jom ki hima kane ba ki hima dei jom ki rai kane ba ki hima rai da dei ba ki kur ne kiri kenti unta terte kine ba ki mo ka sikshuru ka garanti ni ya kata to da fidam nang to dengan layo jalal jong niyo sa land transfer act kuno pin transfer ya ke tribal land sipo asam lada pi transfer sipo asam kalau non tribal land undai tamo video ko kundo ngangai kitu ki kirulum jongi ki pasang ko kido para khoi kita ke tribal status tangam tip ka ei kane ka jingker ki kapan le kane ke sarkar hadu katne ka bangin do ka jaka give and take kai kane ka give and take ngam lamun seto lada kadai ke jaka jongi kadai benne ke jongi lada pipet manta ka policy jong kane ke sarkar kemud lalong ke jongi de jongpi ke jongpi ta de jongpi kemud ke jaka jong Meghalaya de lang jong ka Assam te kane be jong ka Assam ngang sko nakaliang jongi ke Congress party ni persya jure kane ngali kumu MDC ke bangide ban penek pensa ya ke jinglong trai kendo ke syak jing penek pensa ya ke riti ke dustur kumta terter kumbala enshrine apa constitution jong ke India lamba ke 6 schedule na semua ngide ban pat ya kata ngimde bandu shiput ru ka kendo ke syak kepada jong ke chat ban reu jong ke bri neutral nomor ba lada pile tangnam tak electoral gains hato hadu pin pelait no ke jinglong trai long kera pin pelait no penduk no ya ke kendo ke syak tang bandan bejob election political party nang so kerpat yu pai ba ngide ban yang scam ngide ban syak ya kini lada pin patla ban yu ai kamat sa disputed chua nomor menta ngangai ki hima ki raj ki kur ki chat ki don la ki ban pensisha ba kita ki di kitra juga nganga persajur ni kumkas kongres parti ni persajur ya kini ban ni penrem ya kini ke sarkar ke balale thombor adu ban kumboong uchung nestar menta ka ne ke MoU maka boleh sign ber ke Assam dan option cuba ni kere are ni yo ke jelal jom na ai buram ye ki breu ke beladon keti ban punyo jelal jom nomor ni tu ke por kodang ye ki ni dang ye kelung ni dang ye kena nimpat sontu sonta ba nomor kindru pokli terter na do besnang ni le ban yo ke jelal jom na kan ne ke juk ke daw banginum syak thombor hak Assam sang pos na madin bangio jelal jom mentang ilai tilut di Assam ganjing mud ayu ngangasngau kumala nyu ben ya ke jing syak sitom ke jing tre sitom jong tu ki breu ki longkme ki longkpa ki kena samla ki kena skul ki bah ki snem rupokle bangile banio ke jelal jom ngasngau la nyu ben ya perfect ke jing tre sitom jong ki ke jing syak sitom jong ki ngangai bona pedeng jong ki bala ma kemociono la do ke kam ke jam ke jung pule banginio jelal jom namenta ke jing mentoy kalawai ke pateng jongi menta ngangasngau ni de ben yang scam kilawai ki pateng jongi minum do ya kene ka jela kene karibi jongi kari kasi